Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This channel is dedicated to do a lot of videos for Swig, for training people, showing people how they can open their wallet, the Bitcoin wallet. As you know, we are moving towards the blockchain, towards the crypto market. So it is I've made it my initiative to actually start to record this video to show people in different countries on how they can create their wallet and be able to fund their account, buy Bitcoins and be able to fund their account in Crew. Okay guys, so I will appreciate, I just want to ask you two things. If you can subscribe, if you can click this button here to subscribe to my channel, so that you know, it doesn't cost you anything, so that I get my channel get to be visible a lot, so many people from in our company, they can find these useful videos. Okay, the next thing you can do is, once you hit subscribe, is to also go to hit subscribe like that. You will see this bell button here. It's very important to click on it so that when I upload the video, you will be able to see the videos. Okay, I hope it will be useful for all of you guys, and yes, I have dedicated my time to try to do that. So these are the two favors I would like to ask you guys. So if you can hit that subscribe button, this one, and then make sure you click this bell button so that you don't miss any video that I will be uploading. Okay, thank you very much. I will speak to you soon. Hi guys, Swig family. Okay, so this is a video that can show you on how you can top up your wallet in Crew using Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, in previous videos, in previous tutorials, I've been showing you how you can create those wallets, how you can create those wallet and exchanges. So now I'm just going to go on the next step, which is to show you now how you can, once you have that set and verified, etc. and everything, I'm going to show you how you can then bring those Bitcoin or Ethereum into Swig if you want to buy educational packages. Alright, so what you need to do, let's just change it to the view. So what you need to do is to come here, to come on the wallet. Okay, you can click on the wallet here. Right, you click this, and then on the left hand menu there is all these options here. So what you need to do is to click add fund. Okay, so once you click add fund, you need to scroll a little bit. Now I'm assuming you're using a computer. Alright, this screen I'm showing is a computer. For a mobile version it could be a little bit different. Okay, so what you need to do, and then here, say for example you want to put $100, 100 unit worth of Bitcoins, and then you have here the option that say cryptocurrency. Alright, so what you need to do is to go to cryptocurrency, and then you choose any one of these. So say for example, to be quick, what most people are used to is the Bitcoin, but you can use any of these. Alright, they all have the address, you find and exchange the address. Alright, so let's use Bitcoin for this exercise, and then make sure it is highlighted in blue like this, and at the bottom it should show you this amount of the BTC that you need to pay, and then you need to click add fund. Alright, so once you click this, it will give you a confirmation of what you're about to commit to, and you just click to pay. Now when you click to pay, it will take you to another website which is called paycy.me, which is a payment processor for Bitcoin. And now what you need to do, pay attention, this is very important. We can see this wallet is wallet top up for crypto unit, so we know we're in the right place. Now what you need to do in order not to make any mistake is copy this information. You see there is a button here that says copy a payment amount. So that you can send the exact amount. Copy this, and this is the wallet. This is like a bank account number. For those of you who don't know, this is a Bitcoin wallet address for crypto unit account on here. Alright? So once you send this amount, they will know it's from you. Okay? So it's a unique, this address is unique for every person. So if somebody else just doesn't make a transaction, this number will be different. Alright? Make sure you copy this and you copy that. Yes? And then that's what you need to know. That's what you need to do from this side of the crypto unit. And then you need to go on your exchange. Okay? Now the next video I'm going to record is going to be me taking this information. Okay? So let me copy this, the amount. Just copy somewhere on a notepad or somewhere. Somewhere you can still have it. Okay. So I've got the amount. Make sure I put layer amount. Okay. And then here, crypto units. Top up wallet. Alright, so I make sure I take note of that. So then I go here, and again I use this button. You copy automatically instead of highlighting and missing something, which you don't want. You just use that button, that option to copy. Okay, so then I come here and I just right click on my mouse and paste. Or you can go to, if you would use a word processor, you can go to here to edit button. Let me just move up here. The video just got cut off a bit. So what I was explaining here now, once you have copied, you clicked on this button here. Now you come, you can have two options. You can right click on your mouse and click paste. Okay, or you can go here on the word. You can go to this edit on your tab and click paste. Either way, and once you click that, it will come here. And once you click paste, it will just come there, right? And make sure you double check the first two letters and the last three digits, the last three letters as well, that it corresponds to this, because you don't want to send the money to the wrong person, because you can't recover this. That's the whole point of the blockchain. You can't really recover it, so you have to double and triple check to make sure the address you're sending to is the right address that you've been given, right? Okay, so now in the next video, so I am going to show you now the next step. So you have collected the information, you have collected the amount you want to send exact in the BTC, you have collected the information of where you want to send, which is like a bank account, this Bitcoin address for crypto unit wallet top up. All right, so now the next video is going to show you when you are in your Bitcoin wallet, where you have the funds. Now we're going to send it to this. So that's how the crypto unit program will receive it. All right, okay, I'll speak to you soon.